Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Today on DoodleDrawArt, we're drawing some cute kawaii Easter characters featured in my speed doodle. You can click the info card right up here if you want to see the doodle. So we're going to draw this cute little chicken next. So as always, we're going to start with our pencil. I'm just going to draw a nice big oval here in the middle. That's his head. And then I'm going to draw his little body. Some lines down here coming from his head. Just, it's quite a bit smaller than his head shape. And now I'm going to switch over to my marker, and I'm using a gel pen. I'm using a black Muji gel pen. If you want to see the supplies that I've used, you can check the video description. So what I'm going to do first now is I'm going to draw the little tufts of hair on the top of his head. So I'm just going to draw these 3 little bumps right up at the top, like so. Then I'm going to come back to this where the circle is meeting behind his hair, and I'm going to draw a curve shape for his head that comes around like this. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Curve out, around, and back in. Now we'll do his body, down and around, and over here as well, down and back around. Now we'll draw his little feet. So I'm going to go like this, 1, 2, 3, one little foot, and another one, 1, 2, 3. And next I'll draw his eyes. So I'm going to put one over here, and one way over here, and then I'll draw his little beak right in the middle and some wings. So we're gonna make his little wing sticking out on this side and his other little wing sticking out on this side. Oh, he's pretty cute. All right, so let's erase our sketch lines all through here. We'll erase these, and then I'm gonna come back over with my brush pen. You can use any black pen or marker that you like. You can even just use the same pen you were just using and make your lines thicker. So I'm going to go ahead and make, using this brush tip pen, I'm just going to make some smooth curved lines around the edges. So these brush tip pens, if you've watched my other videos, you've noticed they get thicker if you press harder. So here I'm going to press gently, and then I'm going to press harder. And it gives a different thickness without making more strokes. It's usually used for calligraphy. It's a Japanese pen, and as you can see, all of the words are Japanese on this pen. Okay, so now I'm going to go around the edge of his wing like this, and his other wing over here, and then down around his body. I'm just going to leave his other character, his facial features, done with the gel pen. They don't need to be extra bold. They look nice when they're kind of delicate. So please have a look at my other videos. We've got a little cute chicken. We've got a baby chick popping out of his shell. And next we're going to draw some of the rabbits from the speed doodle. So come on back and check those out.